Hello, good day everybody. Today, we are learning to the common laboratory apparatus together. Thank you for learning with me. The laboratory apparatuses help scientists collect data, make observations, and do experiments carefully and accurately. The type of apparatus used depends on the kind of science and the experiment being done. This is a test tube and it was used and holds small volumes of liquid or solid substances, but it cannot be strongly heated as it melts or shatters. This is a boiling tube and it was used and holds small volumes of liquid or solid substances and used when heating solids or liquids over a Bunsen burner. The test tube rack was used for holds many test tubes upright. This keeps them stable and stops them tipping over, helping to avoid spills or accidents in the lab.
The retort stand is used to hold different pieces of apparatus in place, such as boiling tubes or springs. It is often used with a boss and clamp.
Retort stand was used for holds different pieces of apparatus in place, such as boiling tubes or springs. It was often used with boss and clamp. Boss and clamp were used for hold different piece of apparatus. This is Bunsen burner. It was used for heating, sterilizing, or burning things. This is laboratory tripod. It was used for holds items above the Bunsen burner, so it can get very hot during heating. It often used with gauze. Gauze was used to hold items above the Bunsen burner that are too small for the tripod. That is why it distributes heat evenly across the surface of the white patch/circle in the middle. This is spirit burner, or alcohol burner, which contains a liquid fuel, used for heating, sterilizing, and burning.
This is beaker, and it was used for holding different volumes of liquids, more than a test tube. It can be available in various volumes, such as 100 millimeter, 50 millimeter, 200 millimeter, and so on. It can be made with glass or plastic.
This is conical flask, and it was used for holding liquids, mixing solutions, or completing chemical reactions. And it also designed to make it easy to swirl or mix liquids.
This is measuring cylinder. It was used to measure volumes of liquids. It can get variety of sizes. If you went to measure the volume of liquid, you need to always read at eye level, from the bottom of the meniscus.
This is a dropping pipette. It was used to transfer and dispense small volumes of liquid.
This is a volumetric pipette. It was used to accurately transfer a measured volume of liquid from one container to another. This is burette, and it was used to accurately dispense precise volumes of liquid. In this video, it was used as part of a titration setup.
This is gas syringe. It is a special type of syringe, often larger and made of glass, which is used to measure the volume of gases produced during chemical reactions.
A thin glass or plastic tube used to transfer liquids or gases from one container to another is called delivery tube. It is often seen as part of the setup for gas collection. We used to measure the mass of an object or substance by electronic balance. More sensitive balances have a greater number of numbers after the decimal place. A laboratory glassware we use to cool and condense gases back into liquids, called condenser. It was often seen as part of the distillation setup. Thank you for watching this video.